Hi, this is Mary with Reviewer's Diary, coming to you with a vlog style unboxing of my Allure Beauty Box and a little surprise I got from Influenster. I'm going to start first with the Allure Beauty Box because that, let's face it, that's probably what y'all are here for. So anyway, I have had the box for a couple days. This is my box. The box was wet when I got it, but it's alright. Everything inside was okay. Here's the little book. Can you imagine that kind of glitter falling into your eye? Like, seriously. There's no glitter glue on earth that's going to hold all that in place. That would cause some pretty severe eye injury. But anyway, that's the nurse in me talking. So, anyway, this is what is in the box. Now, some people were like, Ciate is a cheap brand. I don't like getting a palette. Well, I like this palette, and so I did obviously look at everything already. There are a couple full-size things in here, and those full-size things are the palette, this mud masky stuff, and an eyeliner. Kind of like feeling a little disillusioned with this. I do like that they occasionally use these bags called Beauty Loot. I use those sometimes when I'm sending stuff out for trade, but I'm probably not going to be doing that anymore. With the rising cost of postage, I probably won't be trading any longer. So, let's get through this box. Let me just open it so it stays open. There we go. And I'm going to open all the packaging on everything, including this Beauty Loot. We'll get everything out, and then I'll be right back. So hold on. Okay, so what was in the Beauty Loot bag is a thank you gift from Allure for being a good subscriber, I guess. Anyway, this is totally separate from the regular beauty box, and our way of showing you how much we appreciate having you as a loyal member. Yeah, I've been a member often, and this is a full year that coming to a close for me, for them. So yeah, that's pretty nice. And what I got was an Amore Pacific eye cream. Now, this does look like it's travel size, but, yeah, let me see. 0.1 fluid ounce. But anyway, Amore Pacific is not a cruelty-free brand, but I will still use this eye cream. It is time response eye cream. So, yeah, it's pretty nice to get a little extra something, something. And this is the palette, and it is freaking beautiful. The colors are amazing. So I have watched a couple people using this palette online, like little tutorials, and so anyway, I do have a good idea of how to use it. The glitter in the middle I might never use, but who knows. Anyway, it's a nice, very nice little palette, and I'm very happy with that. That is full size. The other full size thing is something we all have many of, and that is a black eyeliner. This is by me, X, my beauty brand. You know, somebody misread it when they did their box and said by my ex. It's not. It's when they put an X like that, it's usually one brand and another brand, or one brand and a influencer or something. So that's what that X stands for. But I'm not going to open this yet. It is a black, well, maybe I'll open it. It is black felt tip. At the end, I'll open some things. So, then the other full-size thing is Leave Me On Winter Mask. Basically, it is a skin balm type of product, and it helps with dry skin and all that. It's apparently cruelty-free, and yeah, I'm very interested in this for sure. When I read the description on their website, it sounded like it was right up my alley. Next thing, the last three things are all sample size, but this is a big sample size. This is Caudalie Vino Source. This is 1/3 of an ounce, and this is actually much bigger than the Caudalie samples that I've been getting, so this is a really good size. Then there is a pretty good size sample of Cetaphil. I think this says 0.34 ounces. Healthy Glow Day Cream. And yeah, so this I think will be very good for sure. Not cruelty free, so I wouldn't buy either one of those. So neither of them are cruelty free. Then there's one more thing. It is a retinol B3 serum. I think it's for your whole face. So I'm going to open the eyeliner, and this little tiny size, this is like really, really tiny. But I'm going to open the two things because the eyeliner I would start using right away. I have a couple eyeliners that I've gotten in Beauty Box. This is black liquid eyeliner. So I'll be right back. So hold on. This is a very nice eyeliner. I just drew a line on my hand there. It's super soft, very wet. It's definitely, I think I'm going to enjoy this. I do have a couple marker type eyeliners that are drying out finally, but they take forever to use up. So maybe this will not be that case, but it is a full size, so it might last a while. Let me cap that, and then I'll go over that cream. Okay, and here's the teeny tiny tube that was inside the La Roche-Posay Retinol B3. I have to do a little bit of research about this stuff. I don't know. Obviously, it's a retinol cream. I don't know what the B3 stands for. It says concentrate. Crap. It's not in English. Let's see if there's anything on the box that is in English. Basically, that it's anti-aging. How to use it in another language. Apply in the evening on face and neck. Okay, so it's not just like an eye area thing. It is actually like for your whole face. So anyway, that might be fun to give a try too. So I am very happy with this box. However, you know, and I do love that they gave me a little freebie. However, I am not going to be renewing my subscription because for my birthday, instead of getting this box, my husband gave me the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, which is something that I much prefer over this box. I will be showing you next the thing I got from Influenster. So Influenster selects people based on their answers to surveys that you get. I just declined something today because it apparently was a pet thing that you had to buy first and then get money back. I don't lay money out like that. I don't have any money. We're currently like really hurting financially. Yeah, of course, the dryer broke and the dishwasher broke at the same time. Elizabeth Arden is a brand that I have always loved, but have not been purchasing because they're not cruelty-free at this time. I would love it if they became cruelty-free. And they're not cruelty-free basically because they sell in China. And that unfortunately ruins the whole cruelty-free issue. So I love these. They used to have regular oil capsules without vitamin C in them, but this has vitamin C, which is awesome. This is the card, and it says 178 times more potent than traditional vitamin C. So yeah, so this will be awesome. And this is a full size. Okay, so this is the full size bunch of capsules. I am really excited to try these. These capsules are massive. So I remember a Elizabeth Arden person telling me you can break the little nib off and use it more than once if you can stand it up. So I might try that trick, because these capsules, I know from experience, these are much bigger than the old capsules were. So I am really looking forward to using these. I'm not sure how I'm going to integrate that with the current serum situation that I'm in, which is the Strivectin. I have to see what the requirements are for this campaign, whether I'm supposed to use them for 30 days or what the campaign is. So anyway, it was a really nice, happy surprise from Influenster, and yeah, I'm really excited about those. So anyway, thank you very much for taking your time, being patient with me. I was offered, it must be a mistake, but YouTube has given me the ability to start having people join my channel. And that would be a great way to support the channel. I still have to make a video about that, but I don't expect anybody to actually join. So anyway, that is my Influenster, and there is my Allure, and I was very happy to get both. So I'm very happy with these, and thank you for watching. It's been Mary with Reviewer's Diary, and have a beautiful evening. Good night.